RM34, and it's obviously a 1969 Chevelle, but it might be the nicest 1969 Chevelle that this planet has ever seen, and it could be yours along with $50,000 in cash. This is our 34th giveaway. We want to make you our 34th winner, but you got to be in it to win it. Claim those entries at restomods.com. Good luck.